y'all? Welcome to Country Boy Auto Supply. I am your country boy. We're here this week with a new challenge called Project 50. So, one of my enthusiasts, y'all might have met him in an earlier video, if not y'all gonna meet him in an upcoming video, has decided that, well, he wanted to leave something on my doorstep. We'll put it like that. He left something on my doorstep. Y'all can check it out right here. And he said, do what you want to do with it. So, let me show y'all breaking this down into bite-sized pieces. Click like, click subscribe, click the bell so you can keep up with this video. But we're going to take this something off this doorstep and we're going to turn it into something for real. So, check it out. Country Boy out. What's up, y'all? This is the Country Boy. We live out here in front of the lab and everything. And I'm going to take a little bit of advantage of this warm, sunny day and show y'all what Country Boy got on the hook. We got a 50 HO4. Y'all check it out with me. Alright, so let y'all check this out a little bit. Let's see, we got a chain on it. We got plenty of pine straw on it. It's pine straw all in it. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But, it came out of a wrecked vehicle and it's been sitting in a barn for X amount of time, wrapped up. It's been in tarps and bags and stuff. So what we're gonna do is break all of this mess off of it, break it down to a more manageable state, and I'll get this up on the stand for y'all so we can see what's going on with it next. This ain't the slow way. That's one way to get it out the damn way, y'all.